supplies: 1 oval wood shape, 4 wood teardrops, 4 mini brads, 2 plastic earring backs, 2 pieces of colored wire, round nose pliers, and colored pencils. To start, I am coloring the wings first. The pattern I chose is a slight overlap of 3 different colors. Now please, don't forget to color the edges. It gives your project a flawless, clean, and finished look when done. Now for the abdomen, I continued with the same color pattern that I used on the wings. Finish it off, I decided to use brown. You will see momentarily, but the brown really allows the wings to stand out. Assemble the butterfly. Insert a brad into the hole of one of the wings. While holding the brad and wing in place, insert the brad into one of the holes in the middle row of the butterfly body. Hold the brad, wing, and butterfly body in place and turn upside down. Then carefully open the legs to secure the wing onto the body. Repeat the process for the remaining wings. Attach the antennae. Use pliers to create a loop on one of the ends of the wires. Insert the wire from the bottom of the butterfly and pull it through. Then insert the wire through the plastic earring back. Finish it off by creating another loop at the top of the wire. Repeat on the other antennae. And you are done.